Hello, my name is Paul McKinney, and as the music director for the Stax Music Academy, I'm excited to present an instructional video on the Stax Records classic hit Soul Man. Soul Man was written by the songwriting duo of Isaac Hayes and David Porter and performed by the dynamic singing duo of Sam Moore and Dave Prater, better known as Sam and Dave. I'm going to show you how another legendary duo, the Memphis Horns, that's Wayne Jackson and Andrew Love, played Soul Man. Let's take it from the top. At the very beginning of Soul Man, you hear the iconic guitar solo that was played by Steve Cropper. And as a pickup into the fourth measure, that's when the horns come in. And they play a major pentatonic scale. The pentatonic scale has 5 notes. In this instance, in concert G, those notes are G, A, B, D, E. And for the trumpet, that will be A, B, C sharp, E, F sharp. So it sounds like this. And so they begin with a major pentatonic, and then at the first verse, they just play a really nice sustained pad. And so they're playing on the concert G. After that, it begins to get even more interesting. So this is the chorus in Soul Man. All right. Now, let's break that down and play it a little bit slower. So the song is normally recorded at about 112. We're going to practice it at 80 beats per measure. And hopefully you're looking at your music. And 1, 2. Let's do it again. Good, good. All right, now I'm going to try it, and then I want you to answer me if you can. And 1, 2, and my. Keep it boom. Good. Hopefully you feel good about that. If not, you certainly can rewind the video. All right, next we go into verse 2. Now this is very interesting because now we get to play on the and of 4, which is more of a jazz rhythm. And so count this with me. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Your turn, my turn. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And we will play on the and of 4. That's called subdividing the measure. And we use eighth notes to break the measure down. I'm sure you did very well with that. Lastly, we have the third section of music, which is called the bridge. And then the song modulates up to the key of concert A flat. I hope that you enjoyed the video. And please look for more Soul Practice Chops videos coming up soon.